Hi guys, welcome back. It's been long since I've made a video. I think almost a month now, or maybe 25 days. I don't even have a track of it. But something or the other was showing up in lots of people's worlds around me, and because of the Omicron variant taking a high, and I have been busy with a lot of healing sessions and this that, so I have not been able to come back to my videos. But रेगुलर इन टच बहुत लोगों का फीडबैक आ रहा है कि बहुत देर से वीडियो नहीं डाला है. So thank you first of all for the wonderful feedback that is coming in. It keeps me motivated to make regular videos, to make new videos. Also बहुत लोगों ने ये बोला है कि my videos are having a very soothing and relaxing effect on all of them. So tahe dil se dhanyawad. I am highly obliged that you are inviting me, and you are being a contribution in my world, and I am being a contribution to your world. That is amazing. So to start with, gratitude, immense gratitude for all of you who are watching these videos and who are expanding their and my world. Now coming to today's topic, आज हम बात करेंगे बहुत सारी एनर्जीज जो शिफ्ट हो रही हैं वर्ल्ड में. 2022 शुरू होने के बाद बहुत लोगों को बहुत ज़्यादा चेंजेस फील हो रहे हैं, मेजरली हेल्थ फ्रंट पे फील हो रहे हैं, एंड लॉट इज शिफ्टिंग इन देयर वर्ल्ड. सो उससे बहुत लोग एप्रीहेंसिव हो रहे हैं, इनहिबिशंस आ रही हैं, and people come up with questions like why COVID is just a part of my world, मेरी family क्यों इफेक्ट हो रही है. See, as humans, we have this normal tendency of कुछ भी होता है around the world, we are not affected as long as our immediately family gets affected. Yes, we are emotionally pulled down into friends, relatives getting pulled down into, but that is a very temporary phase. जब हमारी immediate family उसमें pull down हो जाती है तो हम बहुत ज़्यादा hit back ले जाते हैं. Some people go down to the level of falling to them as a traumatizing situation. So basically जो भी हो रहा है around the world, I'm not saying it is right, I'm not saying it is wrong, I'm just throwing a point of view. Take it if it works in your world, if it is expansive in your world, and leave it if it doesn't work for you, right? So we as a human race have been really unkind to Mother Earth for ages and ages at a stretch. And Mother Earth shutting us down indoors, हमारे घरों में हमें बंद कर दिया, to rejuvenate the energy of the earth, is one side of point of view that today I'm gonna talk about, which is our time to get into communion with Mother Earth once again. हम बहुत अनकाइंड हो चुके हैं अपनी धरती माँ के साथ. हमने कंट्रीब्यूशन करना बंद कर दिया, सिर्फ सीमेंटेड स्ट्रक्चर्स खड़े करने एंड मटीरियलिस्टिक डिज़ायर्स बढ़ाने शुरू कर दिए. बट कहीं ना कहीं हमारे जो बेसिक रूट्स हैं, India basically has always been an agricultural economy, and the simplicity of life that existed when our parents were there and उनके टाइम में, और agricultural contribution India में बहुत ज़्यादा था. उस टाइम पे खाना simple था, lifestyle simple था. That reality does not exist anymore. I'm not saying the current generation is wrong. What I'm saying is वो रियलिटी एक पास्ट हो चुकी है, वो रियलिटी अब एग्जिस्ट नहीं करती है. बट उसमें काइंडनेस टुवर्ड्स मदर अर्थ बहुत ज़्यादा थी. हाँ, ये नहीं मैं कह रही कि हम इन द करंट एनवायरनमेंट काइंडनेस टू मदर अर्थ नहीं कर सकते, कर सकते हैं. अपने छोटे छोटे कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशंस के थ्रू कर सकते हैं. I'll just give you an example of something when COVID hit in 2020. One of my very close friends, she bought big planters and उसने एक छोटा सा अपने टेरेस पे किचन गार्डन शुरू किया. वो किचन गार्डन में she was growing vegetables like capsicum, like tomatoes, like brinjals, like lady fingers, like chilies, green chilies, red chilies, I mean paprikas, huge things. And her world, I saw the amazing kindness that she had towards the choice of gardening, the choice of getting soiled into the soil. उसको इतनी एनहांसमेंट ऑफ उसकी एनर्जी और ऑक्सीजन लेवल्स मैंने उसमें देखी in those times. And personally speaking, gardening has never been close to my heart for ages, but in the last 2 years that has drastically changed for me. And मेरे को सैर करना हमेशा से पसंद था. मुझे पार्क में जाके फ्रेश ऑक्सीजन ब्रीथ करना हमेशा से पसंद था. आई थिंक दैट कॉन्ट्रीब्यूशन कम्स फ्रॉम माई मदर. बट गार्डनिंग करना, किचन गार्डन रेडी करना, दिस वॉज नेवर मी. एंड व्हेन आई सॉ वन ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स डूइंग दिस, what amazing contribution she was to Mother Earth. And she would come every few days and चल let's go to the market, आज मुझे ये plants के seeds लाने हैं, आज मुझे planters लाने हैं, आज मुझे कुछ tools लाने हैं. And every time she would take me along. And वो कहीं ना कहीं मेरी लाइफ का इतना बड़ा पॉसिबिलिटी का कंट्रीब्यूशन बना टुवर्ड्स कम्युनियन विद मदर अर्थ, जो मैंने कभी पहले फील नहीं किया था. उसके पुश करने पे मैंने भी अपने किचन गार्डन में जब विंटर्स आई, शी डिड स्टार्टेड इन समर्स, आई डिडंट डू इट इन समर्स, आई स्टार्टेड इन द विंटर्स ऑफ दैट सीजन. The first thing I remember I sowed in my planter at home was lettuce and tomatoes. So 2-3 tomatoes were going sour, and मैंने उनके बीज, my mother-in-law says, इनको गमले में लगाया, and that's exactly what I did. And seeing that come alive and watering the plants and seeing the loving, caring, nurturing that started happening, something in me changed there. Something in me got so widened out there, so expansive there, that आज मुझे ये लगता है कि वो बीज वहाँ डला था जो आज मैं सोच रही हूँ कि I so deeply want to go into agri farming, maybe high yield crops. I'm still putting in my blocks together. I really don't know how I'll go about it, but I should. I actually know. I can't be saying I don't know. I know what I'm choosing today, and how it will start taking shape in the next 2-3 years. It has become my world, which was here with communion with Mother Earth, has gone somewhere here now, and I'm choosing to elaborate it further and further. There is this one meditation and one exercise that I started with lots of my clients years ago, कि जब आप ग्राउंडिंग करते हो तो आपके पास बहुत ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं है, स्पेशली वो क्लाइंट्स जो ऑफिस स्ट्रेस, जॉब स्ट्रेस, बिजनेस स्ट्रेस से बहुत ज़्यादा आते थे. आई यूज्ड टू सजेस्ट टू देम, आफ्टर डूइंग इट रेगुलरली फॉर 30 days myself, to just go and hug a tree in a park or in their own house, wherever it is, for 1 minute. Just stand there bare feet and hug a tree. And when I started listening to the sounds and the energies that the trees used to exuberate, and the kindness they used to shower on me, my world started shifting. And that's when communion with Mother Earth uh, took foundation in my life. It has been ever expanding since then. It has grown by leaps and bounds since then. And today, I make this request to all of you कि आप सब जितना भी छोटा या बड़ा is not the issue, जो भी contribution हो सकता है. Maybe you can start with growing herbs at home. So small things like basil, like oregano, like you name it, you name you name a lot of things. Whatever is coming, I'm just going with it. So these green herbs, rosemary, and the smell and the aura of those, while I'm talking, I can actually smell all of those in my world. This is how expansive energies are. We just need to choose. So some people I have been listening to, I have been talking to, I have been hearing from, have gone overly expansive in their worlds with communion with Mother Earth. So एक्सेस में बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ओपन में क्लासेस लेते हैं. So Gary has ranches. It is ever expansive, and when I saw the video of that ranch, it was so contributing to my world, and I choose to outcreate myself on these things every day. Today I make a request to all of you कि starting with the smaller things, छोटे छोटे planters घर पे लगाना, या अगर आपके पास लैंड है तो उसमें खुद कंट्रीब्यूशन करना, जाके maybe a few planters, maybe planting trees, maybe just tilling the soil, whatever is close to your heart, whatever comes with kindness to you. Go back to grounding yourself with Mother Earth and see the change that this brings in your world. See the change that Mother Earth is asking from all of us in this world after we have been locked down indoors. Someday and very soon, we will be back into running the whole world the way we used to, or maybe better. But with that, 10% of your time, 10% of your contributions, make it to Mother Earth. That's all from me as a food for thought for today. I hope this works in your world. Thank you so much.